Alright, here we go. Good luck, Sanders. We're going to do another box of Crypotzoic Justice League. Justice League. Well, I swear to good luck. See what this box contains now. Wonder Woman. Already did, sir. Green Lantern. Foil. Whatever that is. Crimson Fox. It was nice. It was very, very nice. All the base cards look amazing. Superman again. The King. Oh, see, we hadn't seen that card before in the previous box. The Warrior. Elongated Man. Justice League Europe. Is Swamp Thing. Superman again. Sick PC card. Oh, the Crypotzoic. Shazam. It's on the table over there somewhere. So we hadn't hit her either. That's Supergirl. Power Girl. Miracle Worker. Race Sports Cards got it. Green Lantern foil. Green Lantern. I'm not sure. That I do not know. Superman foil. Wonder Woman. Pretty sick. Is that a 25? Pretty sick. Yeah, a lot of cards do look retarded. The Canadian Silver Surfer. Which one? That one? Let's see. Rocket Red. Here's the Rocket Red. From the Soviet Union. That's the one you're talking about. Or this one? Captain Atom. That one. Okay. I'll ask him, but I'll ask him. I'll definitely ask him. Batman. Swamp Thing. 16. Haven't got any of the two hits yet. Oh, there's a Dragged from Death's Door reissue. It's a foil right there. Zatanna, Batman, Aquaman. Oh, look at that. Hand-drawn sketch. Who's this? Alfred. Who's that, though? It's not Daredevil. That was in the other product we were opening. So we can find this card. That the alien? No, that's not the alien. No, wrong suit. It's not Flash. No, it's got a big old. No, that's not him. Let's see if we can find the same character with the thing on his chest. Ooh, that one's foil too. Very nice. Foil Caped Crusader. Flash. This one didn't have a relic. The boy. And the last pack. No relic in this one. That was a box. Pretty nice little sketch there. Alfred Lee. Cool. Good stuff. Thanks, Sanders.